Okay, now I can have this back. Okay, hello, what's up guys, welcome to 82k. Before I get some work done, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this specific video, I'm going to show you my 5 logdrum instrument racks for Amapiano. They do work in Ableton 11 and 12, so yeah, stay tuned guys. I'm going to show you these new instrument racks. Also, the download links are in the description below. Okay, so let's just start with the pre-bass section. So the first instrument rack that I'm going to show you, it is called pre-logdrum bass. So this instrument rack is the one that you can use for your pre-bass, which is the bass line before the log drums. Okay, so now let's have a listen to it. So this is the one that is playing right now. So let me just go through the presets, and then I will post more videos explaining everything in case you wanna come up with your own presets. But in this case, let me just go through the presets so that I can just cover all these instrument racks. And yeah, so yeah, so you can hear. Let me just exaggerate volume. I like it. Let me change the presets. Preset number 2. See? Preset number 3. Okay, I'm moving on. Okay. What the heck? Wow. So that's the first instrument rack. It is called pre-logdrum bass. So there are some more presets in it. So yep, let me just move on to the next instrument rack. This one, it is called Ama82k Smooth Sub 2. This is the updated version. So yeah, let's just have a listen to the presets. This one will definitely going to give you that smooth sub basses that you can also maybe use as an overdub of your log drums as well. So yeah, next presets. Wow. Okay, so that was Ama82k Smooth Sub 2, guys. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to do more videos, and then I'll make sure that I dive deep into the macro mappings and everything. But yeah, let me move on to the next instrument rack. The next instrument rack that I'm going to show you, it is Ama82k Logdrum B3. So this one is the new logdrum instrument rack, but yeah, you can also use it for pre-basses. And the way I created this instrument rack is presets already that is logdrum and the bass underneath. So and I found out that it sounds more nice when you use it, like in this case, like for example, here we do have some do, so which is we don't have a lot of notes going on, but here on this section we have like do. So this is like a lot. So I'm saying this will actually work perfectly on patterns that doesn't have more notes. Maybe you just want some logdrum and some sustain in at the same time. So yeah, let's have a listen. Two. And let's say you want more sub, you just add, yeah, just like this. Oh, this is too much. This is crazy. Let me actually scroll down. There are also some nice presets this side. Okay. So this is just to add more extra low. Yeah, like sub. Yeah. Okay, and then the other one, oops. Oh, I did show you all this. Did I skip here? Let me just double check, please. B3 and which one is this one? Okay, so I'm going to show you. I'm a 82K logdrum or 8 bass. So this one give you that kind of 808 punch, like boom, 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 boom. So yeah. See, best preset. This one is a little bit harder, I guess. And you can exaggerate that here. And you can even check it. And yeah, there are more presets as well. So yeah, this is I'm a 82K 08 bass. So now, moving on to the last one, which is the logdrum, which is this one. This is the standard one, but yeah, is the new version. I did some changes. Yeah. So yep. Let's have a listen to this one. So this preset, and if you wanna make it a high tone. Okay, now I can have this back. Okay, so yeah, that's I'm a 82K logdrum B2. So guys, you can just grab all this bundle with the link in the description below. Catch me on the next video. Love you guys.